Mitch Kaiser, Marketing Manager for Steiger Tractors. This year we're celebrating the 20 years of quad track. In 1997 we built the first quad track tractors out to the marketplace, generating the leadership position in building 4-track tractors and putting more power to the ground, less compaction, and using less fuel than other tractor manufacturer in the business today. Okay, what's unique about the Steiger tractor for this year is one of the big things we've done is broke the Nebraska test records in 3 areas. We broke it in the most drawbar horsepower ever tested in Nebraska, the most pounds of pull, so we pull like 66,000 pounds behind the Steiger tractor, and we use less diesel and DEF fluid than any other tractor ever built in Nebraska and tested for a production tractor. What's this mean to an operator, to you as a customer, is we also reduce the parasitics in our drive line. So this 620 horsepower tractor behind me generates 682 peak horsepower, almost 700 horsepower. And what that takes you down to is, with our new transmission design, we'll save 37 horsepower and put that back down to the drawbar. So if you have 2 comparable 620 horsepower tractors, our tractor, the big Steiger Case IH tractor, will deliver 37 more horsepower to the drawbar. What does that mean for you as a customer? Well, what that means, if you're pulling a chisel plow, that's 9 more foot of chisel you're going to pull. That's 40 more acres you're going to do in a 10-hour day. If you're pulling a field cultivator and a big field cultivator, you're going to add 10 to 12 feet of field cultivator. That's 342 acres more you're going to do in a 10-hour day than a comparable 620 horsepower tractor. So what that does is give you more horsepower at the end of the day, gives you more work done, and you use less fuel, lowering your production costs year over year. Availability for these tractors is right now, if you place an order, they'd be available for in April, May time frame, mostly May, June if you're going into your last seeding for your crop.
This video is brought to you by Farms.com.